Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So we're gonna get straight into it. This video is gonna be all about this hair, this fire orange color that I am rocking. This hair came to me in a 613 color, and this is from the company called Niawigs, however you want to pronounce it. But before I get into the details of this wig, if you're just interested in seeing how I achieved this color, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I received this unit via DHL. The first thing that I want to talk about is the packaging. The packaging on this unit is so bomb. So at first, when you take it out of the box, the DHL bag, you got to get this box. Now when you slide it out of this box, there's a whole nother box. Then you slide this box out of this box. So it's a box and a box and a box. And then inside you get some cute gifts. You get a stocking cap, you get a satin bag, also get this adjustable strap that has their company name inside. I really like this. The material of this elastic band is super safe on your hair, so you don't have to worry about anything rubbing against your hair and that friction possibly causing breakage. So yes, I love this bag. Inside of the bag came your unit in a plastic bag, and the plastic bag is just labeled. This wig is 14 inches, cap size is medium, and it is 613 blonde. So as you can see from the tutorial part of this video, it came in a 613 white blonde. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't tone it, nothing. I went ahead and I did the watercolor method using Adore's Orange Blaze. This name is so fitting for this color because, I mean, let's talk about it. Yes, So I use at least 2 bottles. Originally I was trying to go for like a pastel color. Like I wanted this color, but I didn't want it as intense. And I didn't like the way it was coming out. So I went ahead and I dumped the whole bottle in there. So I used 1.5 bottles of the Orange Blaze. And that was basically it. Nothing else. No conditioner, no nothing. After I did the watercolor method, I just rinsed the hair with cold water and then I let it air dry. I went and I flat ironed this unit. I didn't cut it. This is the original length. So this is the 14 inches. I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like in a little bit, just so you have a better idea. But the hairline I didn't pluck. This is pre-plucked. This is how the hairline came. I was able to cut down some short hairs. It does come with baby hairs, but I cut a little bit more short hairs to create the baby hairs to my liking. But the hair is super soft. I did get a little bit of shedding. The lace color now is super light. So if you are more of a melanated sister, you might want to try to tint your lace because the lace is fairly light on this unit. You can add a little bit of makeup, but if you want your lace to melt seamlessly, I suggest tinting your lace or seeing if they have another option when it comes to lace color. So I'm gonna go into the website right now. This unit is actually right now it's 47% off. So it's originally $320. You can get it for $170. I'm gonna insert pictures of how it looks on the website so you have an idea of what it looks like fresh out the box. You get it in, you can get it in 10 inches all the way up to 24 inches, and the 10-inch one is $139. And the 24-inch would be $299, and that is with the discount. Like I said, it did come to me via DHL, so it came super fast. Yeah, this is a lace frontal wig. It's one of those lace fronts that are more like a 6x6 closure and then lace here. So I don't have a straight 13x4 where it's just lace straight across. You got a huge lace opening in here, so that gives you the versatility to part anywhere up in there. But when you go off to the side, your lace ends there. So it's from here to the front. So that's what I mean when I say it's like a 6x6 closure and then lace on the sides. But it is a lace front wig. There are clips inside, there are combs inside, there's an adjustable band in the back of the wig, and you do still get this. So you have 2 straps. I didn't use this. I did put it in the wig and it felt like I was going to have a major headache. So if you got a smaller head, this is perfect for you, but I couldn't do it. I just felt like my head was going to explode. But yeah, this is her, y'all. I really like it a lot. Look at this. I promised you guys that I was going to turn around and show you what it looks like in the back. So let me do that. So that wraps up my video for Niawigs. If you're interested in this unit, definitely check the description box. All the links will be down below. If you are not following me on my social media, you need to, because you saw the color for this. Those of you that are on Snapchat and Instagram, you saw this color before the video. And definitely check out the wig if you're looking for cute summer bobs. If you want colorful custom colors, 613 is the way to go. Nobody has time to be stripping black hair. So yeah, that wraps up the video. Thumbs this video up if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any color suggestions for my bob series, drop that down in the comment section. And I want to thank all you beauties for watching.